What's going on, muscle monsters? Alain Gonzalez here, and in this video I'm going to take you through my 3-day full body routine for skinny guys. If you have trouble gaining weight and building muscle, I want you to follow this program for at least 8 to 12 weeks. All right, the way you're going to perform it is very simple. 3 days a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, with a focus on progression. Okay, so the idea is for each exercise to do 5 more pounds than you did the week previous to that. Once you get to a point where you can't add any more weight to the bar, I want you to do more reps. Once you can do 2 more reps than the prescribed reps, from that point you'll add the heavier weight and go back to the prescribed reps. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right in. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, click the like button below. If you haven't already, make sure to claim your free copy of my book, Bulk Up Fast. It's going to give you a 90-day blueprint, nutrition program, and training for you to take your body from skinny and weak to jacked and shredded. All right, so click the link below, tell me where to send it, cover the shipping cost, and it's yours, again, completely free for a limited time only. So hurry, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. We'll talk soon.